As one of North America's leading vehicle protection companies, we challenge ourselves every day to deliver results for today's drivers. And after more than a year of innovation, we're proud to showcase our newest offering, Herd's Grille Guard series. Lightweight, easy to install, and compatible with major brand name radar systems, our 100, 200, and 300 series guards are designed to impress. High-quality stainless steel for a lasting shine and rust-free life, tapered boxes gusseted to the tubes for maximum strength, and heavy-gauge steel brackets mount directly into tow receivers for a quick install. 3 levels of protection to choose from. Our 100 series features 3-inch tubes and provides premium protection for your factory bumper and expensive components. Or guard your factory bumper and lower portion of your grille with our 200 series, featuring 3.5-inch lower tubes and 2 3/4-inch upper tube. For optimum coverage, shielding your grille and expensive headlights, our 300 series delivers full front-end protection and driver peace of mind. An easy latching system makes routine vehicle maintenance easier than ever. Designed specifically for each make and model to complement your truck's design for the industry's best fit and finish and protection where you need it. Ask your dealer today about Herd's stainless steel grille guards or learn more at herd.com.